This is Emmanuel. Very nice to meet you, and I'm here to provide you with help on how to transition from a different platform to Framer. It includes my learnings, my pain points, every single trick and tip that I've got along the way as I watched all the Framer University's videos, as I've experimented myself in different ways, and I've tried to push things, to the end. There's also mistakes that you're going to see, but this is a journey where we're going to learn. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. In my case, transition from Hostinger to Framer, and I've looked at code components, custom components, background fillings, animations, everything that involves around those. And without further ado, let's get into the first, and hopefully by the time you're watching this, maybe the 50th video. I'll cut, maybe I'll add some. Hopefully you'll enjoy it, hopefully you get value, and let me know in the comments below what you think so far.
So very easy. This is how it's actually shown within the Hostinger website. So you have a mobile and you have a desktop version. And it's very easy to use. They've got a great feature where you can actually have multiple websites, in one payment. So that's something that's attractive if you just start out, or if you plan to do lots of basic websites. In this particular case, you can see that I've got different pages that I can access. I can access them also here from the location. Now, one thing to bear in mind is what Hostinger needs to work on is the reusable section. So the section on the bottom, whenever you make changes, you might find yourself having to make changes across all other pages, but you also have here website styles. So from animations, from buttons, from fonts, colors. This is what you can currently kind of customize. They also have an AI feature, but the website and platform, it's super simple, super intuitive, super easy to use, of course, with some limitations. Now, in this case, here is one of the custom CSS where I added a simple section. And within the section, I added here from an elements, you can select an embed code. And this embed code, if I look at entering the code, this is an HTML with JavaScript, CSS included. So this includes the CSS style within it for it. It includes the JavaScript and all wrapped in within the HTML. Um, and this was done in such a way such that it also works on mobile. So there is a mobile class which is somewhere here on the top, believe, around the text area, so that it performs similar when you go in a mobile. So you can see here mobile adjustment for cards, and then if you go mobile, this is how it switches to mobile automatically. And then if you press on preview, we can see kind of how it looks on the phone. We can scroll, we can interact with it. So this is all the custom CMS that I was able to build very quickly in Hostinger for my own needs, and something that can be done pretty quickly for any other websites, when you've got experience and you've been used to using the Hostinger system.
Thank you for watching the video. Let me know what you understood, what didn't, what makes sense, what you want me to add, and what you want me to explain better. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next video.